Got a new video for you. This video is going to be on Methicbal. Methicbal has 500 micrograms of mycobalamine in it. The box has 100 tablets in it. It's made by Hilton Pharma and the price for one box is 1807 rupees. Mycobalamine is a naturally occurring vitamin B12 in the body. It acts as a coenzyme of methionine synthetase in the transmethylation of homocysteine to methionine for various metabolic functions that are essential in cell replication and hematopoiesis. It also promotes nucleic acid and protein synthesis, production of all epithelial cells, and maintenance of myelin throughout the nervous system. The usual dosage for megaloblastic anemia caused by vitamin B12 deficiency is 500 micrograms 3 times a day, and the dose may be adjusted depending on the patient's age and severity of symptoms. For megaloblastic anemia caused by vitamin B12 deficiency, it can be used 3 times weekly for 2 months. And for peripheral neuropathy, 500 micrograms 3 times weekly may adjust dose depending on patient's age and severity of the symptoms. Precaution should be taken during pregnancy and lactation, and some of the side effects of this medicine might be vomiting, diarrhea, nausea and abdominal pain. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.